Hello, it's me, Aletya. Put your deke in me from your Met office. Now we are going to start this 10-day trend by saying just what the fuck is going on with our weather at the moment. With mainstream news outlets pushing an apocalyptic snowstorm, I put out my own clip telling everyone it was just fear porn and not to worry, and then lo and behold, it starts fucking snowing. It's hard to predict when they keep changing it, but as it stands at the minute, cold and wet like a pair of Keir Starmer's Y-fronts. I suppose I better be careful what I say. I wouldn't want to end up in a Starmer concentration camp. Thursday morning saw blue skies and sunshine and almost gave the impression of an ordinary day in November. Fortunately though, those pesky fleets of inconspicuous air traffic soon filled the sky with those completely normal lingering trails, providing us all with a protective layer of smog which will now freeze and come down as snow and sleet. If you want something a bit more concrete, however, my explanation for this unforeseen snow is that we are now on the cold side of the jet stream. Don't ask me how we got over there because I don't know. What I can tell you though is due to unusual aircraft activity in those areas, it's safe to assume that the pink you're seeing here is likely a chemical cloud emitted by those planes that definitely are not there. You can see there also the letter L in a little blue square, and that means lesbians. Yeah, so a band of lesbians blowing in across the Atlantic means low pressure. Or perhaps that's what the L stands for, actually, low pressure. That would make more sense. Seriously though, it's becoming almost impossible for me to explain away what's going on with the weather, and it's embarrassingly obvious that we want to make it as complicated as possible so you literally don't know what's going on, like all the morons that thought they were going to get a real Tyson and Jake Paul fight. We want you to come away clueless. I mean, look at these graphics. What the hell does it all even mean? People just want to know, is it cold, is it snowing or raining? Simple. Now, under the new legislation, we are now required to report on the weather at sea also for any migrants thinking of making the swim. The government has advised breaking into the country is naughty, but if you're going to do it, the channel between Germany and the UK will see calm seas, making it easier to sneak into the warmer part of Britain, as everywhere else is frozen in ice. Not to worry though, we've taken the money from our pensioners to make sure your stay at our hotels is a pleasant one. And if you're a British citizen with an opinion on that, then you too will get a hotel, albeit at His Majesty's pleasure. As for the rest of the week, it's as you would expect, flood and freeze, freeze and flood. Fairly easy graphic there to understand, and even a Mong would get it right. But then I chuck this up on the screen and now your nan is in a panic. What is that? In this image, we can see the UK has been shanked in the gut and is bleeding out in the gutter, and without immediate attention will suffer the inevitable. You thought you would be the only country not to get battered by irregular weather anomalies, did you? Guess again, you're going to get so much rain your crops will drown and you will have no choice but to go running to Uncle Bill to solve your problems, no doubt. So a quick summary: the coldness will be getting colder, the wetness wetter, the wind windier. But fear not, good people. When the real meteorologists of this world fail to deliver the facts, you can always count on Liam Stoneley's edits to brighten the dark days, and that's why it's important to follow him over on Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. And please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, share it so that others can enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching. Good night.